Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to book a hotel on booking.com. Alright, so we're in booking.com, and what you want to do here first of all is make sure that you're logged in. If you're logged in, you may be getting some special offers, maybe some rates will be a little bit lower. Also, another tip is to use the app. The app also has some app-only deals. So let's go ahead and check where we're going. So let's have a look. I'm going to have a look at some local spaces over here, and you're going to then choose your check-in date. All right. So you can say, you can choose a check-in date, or you can just choose I'm flexible, and you can sort of use like a more or less. Okay. But if you would like to book, you want to just make sure that you're choosing an in date, and then you're also choosing an out date. All right. You can also choose how many people will be staying, and this will be appropriate when filtering down what sort of accommodation or hotels are actually available or appropriate for you. So let's just do the 2 adults, and it's a 1 room. If you are traveling with pets, you can just turn this on. I'm not traveling with pets. Let's say done, and let's say search. Now it'll bring you a list of accommodation. Of course, on the left hand side over here, you can change a whole bunch of different filters. So deals, popular filters, property types, bedrooms, bathrooms, swimming pools. There's a whole bunch. But essentially, once you've found something that you're looking for, so let's go and just search for hotels only. And then you are going to find the hotel you're looking for. Okay, so here it is. There's the price. You can see that it is a bit of a discount. You get a review number over here, so a rating, and all of the information that you can see over here. Let's click on it and open it up. It will now open up in a new window. You can see furthermore information about this property, and you're going to go down. Let's travel all the way down here, and you can see what it's going to cost you. So now you're going to go and say reserve with Genius discount. And this is something new that they've added onto booking.com, because I've used booking.com I've been using it for quite a while now. So this is new. You can now see again all of your details. You're going to add all of your personal information, first name, last name, email address, country, region, phone number. And then if you want a paperless confirmation, you can add that in. You can also update your account to include all these new details. And then you can either state whether you're the main guest or you're booking for somebody else. And if you're traveling for work. And as you go down over here, you are going to just enter additional information and special requests. There are many options. And here we're going to go and click on final details. The last step involves just making a payment. So you'll either have the option to pay on this date that you're booking in, or you're going to pay now. And then you get to choose how to pay. Of course, if you're using a new card or Google Pay, you're going to add your details in over here, such as your card number, expiration date, CVC. And then you're going to have to consent to receiving all the marketing emails. It is optional. And then you're going to click on complete booking. You will then receive a confirmation email with a booking number as well as a 4-digit PIN. Please keep this safe. This is only for your eyes. You'll use this information if you are jumping on to booking.com again. If you would like any more information, it'll be used for verification purposes. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.